Here we have Palash, who's doing his Bachelor of Arts in Physics at the University of Chicago. So, Palash, why don't you tell us which subjects is the University of Chicago known for?
Hi, Sean. Thanks for having me. So U Chicago is a liberal arts college in the U.S. So it doesn't, unlike most colleges, it doesn't really have an engineering college. It's most it specializes more in academia-based research. So it's known very well for economics. So I think it has the most number of economics Nobel laureates in the world, or what it's up there. So it's known for economics, public policy. It has a very famous business school as well. So BusyCon. It's also known for some science subjects like physics. It's really well known for mathematics and some more academia-based research fields like anthropology and sociology. A lot of really famous people in fields of anthropology and sociology come from Chicago.
Okay, great. So, which other universities would you recommend for studying physics?
For physics, I mean, I think most of the universities or quote unquote top universities have very good physics programs. So any of the Ivies or even the UCs like Berkeley, LA are very good for physics. Yeah, honestly, any college in the top, I guess, 50, they all have very good physics programs, and I wouldn't necessarily say one is explicitly better than the other. It would come down to more specific things like what kind of areas of physics you like and what specific research areas you're interested in. And I think those things become more significant when you apply for further studies beyond undergraduate physics.
Okay, great. So, have you done any online courses?
I mean, in what sense? I had to do online courses this quarter, obviously, because of remote learning, but before applying to college, no, I hadn't really done any sort of online course.
Okay. So, what advice would you give students who are thinking of studying physics further ahead in university level?
Um, I mean, really just know whether you like physics or not. I mean, physics is at university level is an extremely mathematical topic, and so if you know that you enjoy it, and if if you enjoy physics, do it. Really, I don't really necessarily think that there's some employment benefit from doing it, or it'll help prepare you in for a specific career. But really, if you know you want to pursue physics, then obviously as a PhD or be a researcher, then of course do it. But otherwise, if you're unsure about what you want to do, but you know you like physics as a topic, then there's no harm in majoring in it. It doesn't really close any employment roads.
So, what skills do you think physics students should have to be good in physics?
Uh, so at least from my experience, there's a lot of mathematics involved, so you should be comfortable with math topics in maths. From what I remember in high school, the level of math you did in physics was definitely lower than the level of math you do in math classes. But at university level, that's not necessarily true. The math you do at physics is most of the time the math you learn while doing physics you're learning for the first time. So it really be comfortable with computation-based math, and I think that's the problems. Then there's other things like analytical thinking and problem solving, but I think those apply to most fields. So more specifically to physics at university, just be comfortable with math and enjoy it.
Okay, great. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the very best.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for doing this. That's about.